Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see a solution of print 1 to n using recursion. So if the value of n is 5, we are expected to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's see a solution for this. So the very first thing is we are going to define a function called print, and in this parameter, we are just going to randomly take another variable called x. This time we are not using n because we have a reason for that. We are going to use it in the base case. So that is why I'll explain it later. So as we solve all the recursion question, there are two things, that is base case and recursive case. So first of all, let's understand the functionality of this function. What is the core functionality of this function? It is to console this value of x, right? Every time the value of x will be consoled. And the recursive cases, we're going to call this function print with x plus 1. Meaning every time we are going to increment it by 1 and we are going to print it. Okay. So as for the base case, when are we going to stop this loop, right? So we are going to compare the value of x with value of n. Okay, since n is going to be the last value. So if the value of x becomes greater than n, in that case, we are going to stop this loop. So if this x is greater than n, then we are going to return. So since I had to compare this value of value from n, so that is why I have taken an extra variable here. So if you try to call this function with, this time we are going to call this function from 1, right? And also we have to give a value for n, the const n is equals to 5. So if we do that and run this file, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So yes, this was the solution for this question. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.